Happy Monday, everyone. I'm Irina Gordon, a certified NeuroGraphic instructor, aesthetic coach, and therapeutic arts practitioner. Last Saturday, we explored the secrets of the lakes. Participants dove into a magical visualization meditation, connecting with the unconscious and bringing their discoveries to life with watercolors. We also looked into legends and myths about lakes to deepen our understanding of this metaphor. I want to share with you a sneak peek into this workshop so you can get feel of the environment during our classes. For those who couldn't join us live, great news. This workshop is now available as recorded session, so you can experience it anytime that works for you. And you can find the link to this workshop in the description for this video. Hello everyone, and welcome to our last workshop of this summer, The Secrets of the Lakes. Today, with the help of the magical visualization meditation, we're going to dive into the unconscious and open a gentle connection with it. And then we will explore with the watercolors, giving shape to what we discover. We will bring supportive islands to the surface and acknowledge the blocking ones as well. By the end of this workshop, we will have a living map guiding us towards success. And to begin this journey, I invite you to a short presentation where we will read a few legends and myths about lakes to deepen our understanding of this metaphor. So, exactly like the lakes support life on Earth, our unconscious holds the inner resources. So, it has the same importance as lakes for the Earth and for the life on Earth. Our unconscious is very important for our well being. When we don't pay attention to these resources, we can be overwhelmed, we lose our happiness, and it's very important to support this. Let's take a few minutes to pause and connect with yourself in a quiet, gentle way. Let yourself get comfortable. Close your eyes and take a few slow breaths in and out. Now imagine you are sitting by a big, quiet lake early in the morning. The air is fresh. And now we will move to the very important part. And you remember how in NeuroGraphica we usually do exercise 20 words for 2 minutes. So today we will do something different. Instead of this exercise, I want you to write down on a paper first your main island, the topic you're working on. So first I want you to explore your paper. You can sometimes even we use our hands to find a place where we feel it's the right place for our main island. Uh, on my paper, I see it right away, like I see this is my island, but you choose your own place for your main island. And then we use markers and we can just create the shape of this island. I'm looking forward to see you in my future programs. And for now, I will say goodbye. Everyone who is now online, please stay online. I will stop recording and we will have some discussions with you. And now it's time for our weekly metaphorical associative cards reading. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our future videos. Have a wonderful week, and I see you back on my channel next Monday.